Article written by Vijay Muli on the 6th of February 2025. Understanding the Indian Consumer Psychology, Website, and Mobile App Recording. India's digital landscape is a complex interplay of technological advancements and deep-rooted cultural nuances. As businesses strive to understand the intricacies of consumer behavior in this dynamic market, website and mobile app recording emerge as powerful tools for gathering valuable insights. Psychology, the study of the mind and behavior, becomes a cornerstone in deciphering the motivations, preferences, and challenges faced by Indian consumers. Indian consumers exhibit a diverse range of psychological traits that influence their digital interactions. While a segment of the population is early adopters of technology, driven by curiosity and a desire for novelty, others approach digital experiences with caution, prioritizing trust and security. Understanding these psychological variations is crucial for tailoring website and mobile app experiences to different consumer segments. Furthermore, cultural psychology plays a pivotal role in shaping consumer behavior in India. Concepts such as collectivism, respect for elders, and emphasis on relationships influence how individuals perceive and interact with digital platforms. Marketers must be attuned to these cultural undercurrents to create psychologically resonant experiences. Website and mobile app recording offer a unique lens into the psychological world of the Indian consumer. By analyzing user behavior, businesses can gain insights into consumer motivations, preferences, and pain points. For instance, recording can reveal how users navigate a website, which features they engage with, and where they encounter difficulties. This psychological data can be used to optimize user journeys, enhance user experience, and ultimately drive business growth. However, the application of psychology in website and mobile app recording must be approached with ethical considerations. Privacy and data security are paramount concerns for Indian consumers. Businesses must prioritize transparency, obtain explicit consent, and implement robust data protection measures to build trust. In conclusion, psychology is a powerful tool for understanding the Indian consumer and optimizing website and mobile app experiences. By combining psychological insights with technological advancements in recording, businesses can create engaging, relevant, and user-centric digital platforms. However, ethical considerations must guide the use of these technologies to ensure long-term success in the Indian market.